Good afternoon, my dear students. How are you? Welcome to one more amazing session from Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya. Welcome to NEET Step Up 2025 program. In this NEET Step Up 2025 program, we are offering physics, chemistry, bio lectures right from 12 o'clock to evening 6 o'clock. So we request all you guys attend the sessions regularly without any fail, and like the sessions and share with your friends and subscribe to the channel. So Anamani, great, good afternoon, waiting for the class, very good. And what about the other students? Okay, now in today's class we are going to discuss about haloalkanes, the most expected NEET multiple choice questions. You all know about organic chemistry is so difficult, you feel it, but if Suresh sir is there, I will make it so simple. And in the previous classes we discussed about how the haloalkanes and the haloarenes and their chemical reactivities and everything we did it. And today's class we are going to discuss the most expected questions. उस topic से questions कैसा बनाएं? And before going for that, I just want to give a small introduction part about what Infinity Learn is doing for the student community who is preparing for NEET examination. Everybody, you can see the successful students I am presenting on the board: Ashrita, Akhil Verma and Satyanarayan and Hemadyuti, and they secured very less score in NEET 2023. After pursuing certain courses from Infinity Learn, they have taken online packages, and you can check how improvement they got. Ashrita, it was 310 marks in 2023, but in 2024 she got 661 marks, imagine, and 351 marks increment. Hena, right? Also you can see Hemadyuti, same, she secured 652 and 342 marks increment. So outstanding improvement. So the फालतू चीज का नहीं है, the impact that Infinity Learn study program has. Also you can see Akhil Verma has 313 in 2023 and 658 marks in 2024, 345 marks बढ़ गया. And also you can see Satyanarayan, he got only 330 in 2023, secured NEET 2024 में 650, 320 marks बढ़ गया. अरे these are all sample, only a few students have seen, and more than 100 students got improvement like that, and you will be the next, because double, almost the score become double. So we say double your score, and these are the proven results with NEET droppers program, that comparison NEET 2023 से 2024 तक. Amazing है ना? अरे कैसे कर सकते हैं? अरे हमारे पास है, you just see the live session is going on. I just tell you how to do that. And this is my live session. In this live session, you can see this is my live session. Yes, currently you are in my live session here. Where is this? Advertisements. Wherever you go, it is advertisements only. Okay, let us finish this advertisement, and here it is my live session in front of you that's happening, right? When you just go through this live session and scroll it up little bit, and you just see the description box here, click it on more. When you click it on more, and you will be given improve your NEET 2025 rank, please fill out the form. Also you will be having NEET rank booster program, and I am going to show you that. Yes, okay. When you click on that link, you will be directed to that particular page where you can go through the payment, and you can just use a coupon code after pursuing the various courses. In that course, you will be having Amna, hi there, why boring? once the session started you will be rocking, है ना. So 6,800 plus video lectures and benchmarking with Sri Chaitanya students, unlimited practice test, also full NCERT syllabus coverage, and you will be getting Ranker Achiever series books also, and there is a special discount of 7,500 if you are going to apply Suresh 50 a coupon code, है ना. If you apply this coupon code you are going to see this is your coupon code, 20% flat discounts मिलेगा, है ना बेटा. And Amna Haider, don't worry, the session is going to be started right now, and don't forget that, okay. Now when session start you can enjoy now, okay, very good. And today's class of interest is going to be haloalkanes, haloarenes, most expected questions. So Amna, first question you give the answer, so I will be delighted. So this is your first question. What could be the answer for this? An alkyl halide may be converted into alcohol by, there are 4 options: addition, substitution, dehydrohalogenation and elimination. फटाफट आंसर देना, सिंपल क्वेश्चन से शुरुआत कर देंगे, and we are going to see the more detailed questions as well. Come on, what could be the answer? What could be the answer? So alkyl halide, you want me to give the answer or you will give it? Alkyl halide, मान लो alkyl halide, when it is treated with potassium hydroxide alcoholic aqueous, you are going to get alcohol, है ना. So उसमें halogen atom is being substituted by OH. So this is your substitution reaction, option is going to be B. So you just try to understand this substitution reaction, nucleophilic substitution reaction. This could be SN1 reaction or SN2 reaction. In the previous classes, SN1 reaction, SN2 reaction is deeply explained, and if you have still doubts in that, you please ask me, I am going to explain that again, no doubt about that, okay. Come on, और एक क्वेश्चन करना है. Among the following, the one that gives a positive iodoform upon reaction with hydro and sodium hydroxide, what could be the answer? What could be the answer? There are different compounds are given. Yes. So I just want to say positive iodoform reaction कौन सा structure दे सकते हैं? ये key point देना. Amna Haider, we are saying और आंसर देके बता सकते हैं ना. ओके, सो मान लो एक सिंपल तरीका है, एक ट्रिक भी दे सकता हूं मैं. जो भी कंपाउंड है उसी स्ट्रक्चर में C डबल बॉन्ड वो CH3 होगा और CH and CH3 होगा, and these compounds are going to give the positive iodoform test. This is the test, okay. So what I want to say here, this is the structural requirement and this is the structural requirement, है ना. So what happened here, जो भी structure ऐसे आते हैं, now you can see methyl ketones, so are C double bond O CH3, whenever reacted with sodium hydroxide and iodine, you are going to see the bond is going to be broken here, the bond is going to be broken here, and it is going to be oxidized. Methyl ketones are going to be oxidized and it goes to R C double bond O minus plus CH I3, iodoform मिलेगा, आपका iodoform मिलेगा. So that this is the requirement condition and this is the requirement condition. So this is the chemistry behind iodoform reaction. In this, let us check whether it is yes or no. So this is going to be, let me elaborate the structure, CH3, CH2 and CH and OH and CH2 and CH3. ये नहीं देंगे, ये नहीं दे सकते, है ना बेटा. And also you can see it is a primary alcohol, बिल्कुल नहीं दे सकते, and it is also a primary alcohol, बिल्कुल नहीं दे सकते. But when you talk about this pH means it's a phenyl group. pH means it's a phenyl group, is attached to CH, and it is with OH, and it is going to be CH. स्ट्रक्चर एलाबोरेट करके मैं आपका जो ट्रिक दिया था ना, ये वाला ये कंपेयर करो एक बार, as it is matching here, so that ये दे सकते हैं ऑप्शन डी is going to be the answer for this particular iodoform reaction. iodoform reaction का वजह से फिलहाल भी 4 बार क्वेश्चन पूछा गया था, so that every year there is a chance of getting a question from the NEET examination about iodoform, है ना? So you all stay tuned till the end of the class, so that you are going to get awesome questions with a beautiful explanation for every question, right? And I really encourage my dear students, you give the answer by chat box, है ना? Got it? Fine. एक fiery emoji and thumbs up डालो chat box में, फटाफट देना. ओके, नाउ अगले क्वेश्चन आपको पेश कर रहा हूं. यस, सो methylene chloride on hydrolysis gives. Questions comes like that, simple, but answer is also supposed to be simple. That's Abhishek. Hi, how are you? So I want to see in the chat box. Come on. What is the product? Methylene chloride on hydrolysis yields. What could be the answer? Jaldi dena, karike dena. Don't give the fake answers. Don't give like guess answer. Inky pinky funky nahi hai. Okay. Anisha Tripathi, C and B bhi de sakte hai. Okay. Okay, good afternoon Abhishek, good afternoon. Yes, now look at, see what is the meaning of methylene. Okay, methylene means this is your methylene. मान लो this is what you call it as a methylene. Methylene chloride, अरे वैलेंसी पूरा करने के लिए 2 क्लोरीन चाहिए, so it is called as methylene chloride. मिथिलीन क्लोराइड जब आपको हाइड्रोलाइसिस करते हैं ना, यू कैन यूज हाइड्रोलाइसिस, जब हाइड्रोलाइसिस करते हैं ना, सो क्लोरीन इज गोइंग टू बी कन्वर्टेड, सब्स्टिट्यूटेड बाय OH ग्रुप्स, so that you are going to get CH2 and it is going to be OH, and for your information, तेलुगु आता है, तमिल भी आता है, हिंदी भी आता है, बांग्ला में भी पढ़ू क्या? अभिषेक. Okay, right, come on. Now in this you are going to see no 2 OH group on the same carbon atom is going to be unstable, and it is going to be released as a water molecule. As water molecule is released, you are going to see the product like this. So क्या क्या बचेगा आपको? CH, इसका हाइड्रोजन एंड हाइड्रोजन, ये डबल बॉन्ड वो, और यू कैन ऑल्सो से HCHO formaldehyde, and that's my answer, Abhishek and Anisha Tripathi, right? Any doubt? You just look at this. Writing organic structures and solving organic structures gives an immense pleasure, right? Okay. So मैं हैदराबाद से इन्फिनिटी लर्न कॉर्पोरेट ऑफिस स्टूडियो में हूं अभी. अभिषेक आप आना चाहता हूं, ओके, रैंक पकड़ के आना, हम साथ मिलेंगे, लंच भी कर सकते हैं, ओके, एक फोटो खींच के. गॉट इट? यस, कम ऑन. नाउ द आंसर इज गोइंग टू बी HCHO. तैयार है रैंक निकालने के लिए अभिषेक? Anisha Tripathi, let us see one more question. For this reaction, ethyl alcohol react with the HX in the presence of ZnX2, C2H5X, the order of reactivity. What is this? The order of reactivity. You are also from Hyderabad. Aja, Infinity Learn, NCC building, Durgam Cheru, 6th floor. Okay. So what is the reactivity order? You want to say B? Okay. Anisha Tripathi, I appreciate your answer. Talia. Good. I want to give a thumbs up for you. Okay. So what I mean to say, this is an alcohol. जो भी alcohol है, मान लो, when it is react with HCl, okay, in the presence of zinco chloride, anhydrous zinc chloride, you are going to get RCl plus H2O. उसमें this reaction is known as Lucas test, and this reaction, this mixture is called as Lucas reagent. Okay, Lucas reagent. ये reaction में alcohol, tertiary alcohol is more reactive than secondary alcohol is more reactive than primary alcohol. ये चीज़ याद रखना. And this is not actually connected to this question, but extra point आपको देना तैयार हूँ. And HCl, मान लो ये HCl हो सकते और HBr हो सकते और HIB हो सकते हैं. उसमें जो भी रिएक्टिविटी है ना, HCl लेस देन HBr लेस देन HI, HF बिल्कुल रिएक्ट नहीं करता. So that HI is greater than HBr is greater than HCl. So that option B is the correct answer, and I am going to accept this answer along with Tanisha Tripathi. Okay. In the 11th standard also these reactions are important. Okay. So we are connected to alcohols and alkenes and all. That's the reason why stay tuned and come discuss karo, ज़्यादा charting karo and chart along with the concept. Okay. Not altu faltu charting hai. So let us maintain chart dignity and let us Tripathi, let us go with the next question. Anisha, yes it is. The order of reactivities of methyl halides in the formation of Grignard reagent. What is a Grignard reagent and how it is formed? Give your appropriate answers. Give appropriate answers. जो भी answer, I just want to see how the students are going to interact with me. Okay, I want to say alkyl halide react with magnesium in dry ether. You are going to get RMgX, alkyl magnesium halide, not X2 Anisha. So that this is what you call it as a Grignard reagent, GR, Grignard reagent. Victor Grignard has given this reaction and he prepared n number of Grignard reagents. He got a Nobel Prize for this. Can you believe it, Suresh Kumar? Yes. So that you can see the alkyl halides reactivity, alkyl iodide is more reactive than, alkyl bromide is more reactive than, alkyl chloride is more reactive than alkyl fluoride. Alkyl fluoride do not form Grignard reagents. Okay, so my answer is going to be methyl chloride is more than, methyl bromide is more than methyl chloride. My answer is going to be A, and I am going to accept this answer along with Anisha Tripathi. Okay, fine. Good to see. Good to see. Good number of students and good interaction. Okay, and we can see what do you understand with the Grignard reagent. So Grignard reagent का behavior क्या है? मान लो Grignard reagent methyl magnesium chloride. In the methyl magnesium chloride, methyl minus and magnesium, this is a perfect organometallic compound. Suresh Kumar, no problem. अरे सीखो, जरा सीखो. नहीं हुआ ना आंसर गलत दिया, कोई चिंता नहीं है. ओके, अभी सीखना है. And this CH minus, CH3 minus, it is going to be a very good, this is going to be having two properties. It's an excellent base. It's an excellent base and it is a good nucleophile. It is a good nucleophile. So ये मान लो, and whenever you take these two, you will be understanding ये Grignard reagent का behavior क्या होता है ना? Clear बेटा? Don't worry, you will be learning many things in my class. First, You have to just feel yourself every day 1:30 to 3 o'clock सुरेश सर का यूट्यूब सेशंस होता है, and you please attend without any fail. And when the live class is going on, you can make a cheat chart and academically you can improve it. And if you are not able to attend the class, you can watch the recording and you can put the comments also, so that every comment is going to be honored. And my dear, entire class I am just telling you, please don't feel this is a time pass class. Here मैं पैसा कमाने का काम नहीं कर रहा हूँ, या पे इन्फिनिटी लर्न के लिए स्टूडेंट बच्चों लोग कुछ भला करने का कर रहा हूँ. So your time is also valuable. You also attend the lectures regularly and learn something during a class. Okay, ये फालतू चीज़ का नहीं है, ये असली चीज़ का है. And those students who are regularly coming in the class, really I appraise them. And also in 2023, we run this YouTube platform NEET program, and only based on this YouTube platform NEET preparation, so many students secured medical ranks. Okay, so you please take this in a serious note. Okay, Abhishek, that's good. And next question. तैयार है? Next question. आप तैयार नहीं? Okay, now one more. This is answer. ये मैं बता चुका. That is this. On treating a mixture of two alkyl halides with sodium metal in dry ether, 2-methyl propane was obtained. The alkyl halides are. It is actually Wurtz reaction का. Wurtz reaction is preferred for symmetrical alkane, but unsymmetrical alkane is given. अरे सर alkane पढ़ रहे हैं? नहीं नहीं, ये alkyl halide का है. So you have to connect with one topic to another topic ना. एक बार कोशिश करके देखो. अभिषेक and Anisha and Anamani, Suresh Kumar, come on, give the answer. So on treating the mixture of two alkyl halides with sodium metal in a dry ether, so what happened? Alkyl halide reacting with another alkyl halide with sodium metal, you are going to see NaX formation. You will be getting R and R dash. This is what you call it as Wurtz reaction. So based on the structure of R and R dash, you can predict what is this Rx and what is this Rx. है ना? So let us use 2-chloropropane, 1-chloromethane. Anisha Tripathi. So 2-chloropropane. So 2-chloropropane. This is your 2-chloropropane. And chloromethane. Chloromethane. When it is reacted with the sodium, you just see, logically you just crack this question, and you are going to see NaCl is eliminated, and the product is going to be that is 2-methylpropane. 2-methylpropane. This is 2-methylpropane. So your answer is accepted. Are Abhishek, you just see, answer is going to be A. Now what I meant to say, this is actually whenever Wurtz reaction is done, first of all you need to understand this Wurtz reaction is only used for preparation of symmetrical alkane. But in this case, when the mixture of two different alkanes are reacting, you are going to say mixture of the alkyl, mixture of two different alkyl halides are reacting, you are going to get more than two different alkanes. So mixture of alkanes separate करना मुश्किल है, so that Wurtz reaction is not prepared for unsymmetrical alkane preparation. And this is the question related to alkane, or this is the question related to haloalkanes, है ना? और एक क्वेश्चन तैयार है त्रिपाठी. Fine, you are doing good. Abhishek, You just correct yourself, Suresh Kumar. Good. Good, good. Let's see. Iodoform gives a precipitate with AgNO3 on heating with chloroform, does not because. What could be the answer? Nature of bonding. Nature of bonding. Carbon to halogen. The bonding is going to be partial negative charge and a partial positive charge. In this partial negative charge and partial positive charge, this bond is going to be polar. Okay. So, when this bond is polar, polarity of the bond, you can see bond strength, bond energy. So, carbon to fluorine, carbon to chlorine, carbon to bromine and carbon to iodine. Bond energy ऐसे रहते हैं. So that it is going to be the weak bond. This is the weak bond. So that I minus दे सकते हैं AgNO3 से react करने, तो आपका क्या मिलेगा? So AgI precipitate मिलेगा. But with not chloroform, because the chloride form is a strong bond. Carbon to chlorine bond is a strong bond. Got it? Anisha, your answer is correct. Abhishek, this time your answer is also correct. Agree, agree. Hope you are understanding how these questions are selected. Every question that I selected in today's class is based on NCERT. Everybody, you can keep NCERT along with you, and we discussing the NCERT questions now. Okay, Suresh, that's good. और एक क्वेश्चन करने तैयार है? Come on, फटाफट. Now let's talk about one more question. When iodoform is heated with silver powder, it forms what? क्या दे सकते हैं? Everybody, keep a book along with you and write the answers and collect this. It's a good collection of questions here. What is a chloroform? What is a chloroform? CHCl3 is chloroform, right? It's a chloroform. और एक मॉलिक्यूल लेना चाहता हूं मैं, Cl, Cl and Cl. अगर ये सिल्वर से रिएक्ट करने तो क्या निकलेगा? You are going to see the formation of silver chloride. So 6AgCl is going to be formed. Now what happened? This CH triple bond, yes, CH triple bond, it is going to be acetylene, or this is what do you call it as ethine. So the answer is going to be acetylene. Agree with me? Clear? That's good. So you learn the method that what I give you, and these methods are very important, and you can do the best. Clear? Dear children, और एक करना है. Ready? Anisha Tripathi, are you ready? Yes. Now it is, which of the following ketones will not respond to iodoform test? अरे फिर भी iodoform test का बारे में पूछा. So कितना questions करो? Very important. So far 4 times in NEET examination, questions are asked based on iodoform. So you have to practice wherever the topic is being repeated, you have to focus there only. So today's class of interest is about expected NEET questions on haloalkanes. So can't you expect this type of questions? Yes, we can, right? Come on. What could be the answer? Her methyl isopropyl ketone. This is methyl isopropyl ketone. दूसरा इथाइल आइसोप्रोपाइल कीटोन, हर चीज का स्ट्रक्चर निकालना पहले, है ना। डाइमीथाइल कीटोन mean to say acetone, mean to say acetone, and 2-hexanone, so hexanone, this is your 2-hexanone. When you check the prerequisite condition, मैं बता चुका आपको, दिस इज योर मिथाइल कीटोन, ये दे सकते हैं, ये दे सकते हैं, दिस इज योर मिथाइल कीटोन, ये भी दे सकते हैं, ये भी दे सकते हैं, एंड दिस इज योर मिथाइल कीटोन, सो दे सकते हैं, सो दिस इज बट व्हेन यू से दिस डू नॉट गिव, this is not methyl ketone. My answer for this question is option B, and whatever the answer you have given, I appreciate, it is going to be option B. My dear students, you can see, look at this structure, how your teacher has solved this question. Teacher solved this question by writing a structure and a structural requirement याद रखना, and a structure requirement के हिसाब से ये आइडोफॉर्म दे सकते नहीं दे सकते आप निकालने वाले. आर यू गेटिंग और नॉट? क्लियर? एनी डाउट? गुड. You learn method from me, right? Okay, or a question. So 2-chlorobutane obtained by chlorination of butane will have simple. I want the answer from everybody. I want the answer from everybody. Two chlorobutane obtained by chlorination of butane. Yes. You want to say B? Anisha? Yes, of course. Now you just see CH3, CH2, CH2 and CH3. This is N-butane, chlorination of N-butane. When it is monochlorinated in the presence of light, so what happened? This is the hydrogen replaced by chlorine. So what happened? You are going to see the formation of CH3 and CH2 and CH and CH3. So whenever a optically chiral compound is formed as a product, you are going to get plus isomer as well as minus isomer. Equal priorities are given, so that equal amount of plus and minus isomer is said to be a racemic mixture is formed. So this process is known as racemization. So I just want to say it is going to be a racemic. So equal moles of plus and minus isomer is called as a racemic mixture. Racemic mixture is optically inactive due to external compensation. So plus isomer optical rotation is opposed by minus isomer optical rotation. Therefore, there is no net optical rotation. That's the reason why it is not. Got it? Whereas in the mesoform you can say not here, but mesoform you can see it is also optically inactive, though it has a chiral carbons due to internal compensation. So within the molecule structurally the optical activity is going to be cancelled. That is what you call it as internal compensation, whereas for racemic mixture it is external compensation. You just mind it. Okay, optical D and L form. That's correct, Anisha Tripathi. Are getting or not? Yes. Okay. Any doubt? Next, Which of the following statement is incorrect regarding benzyl chloride? You have to identify incorrect statement. You read the statement and you identify what could be the answer for this. Anisha, Abhishek, Suresh, you kept quiet. Come on, Abhishek, rejuvenate with your enthusiasm. Anamani, come on. बेंजाइल क्लोराइड, ये बेंजाइल क्लोराइड होता है क्या? It is the benzene. This is chlorine, that is called chlorobenzene. And CH2Cl, this is your benzyl chloride. This is your benzyl chloride. Benzyl chloride gives a white precipitate with alcoholic AgNO3. Yes, it is true. It is true. And it is an aromatic compound with substitution in the side chain. Yes, it is true. It is true. It undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction. Yes, it undergoes SN1 reaction or SN2 reaction. So it is also true. And it is less reactive than vinyl chloride. Galat baat hai. So vinyl chloride, it is highly reactive. Benzyl chloride is highly reactive. Benzyl chloride is highly reactive. Alkyl alcohol, benzyl alcohol, yes it is. It is talking about chloride. Anisha Tripathi. है ना? Now let's talk about one more question. Any doubt, Abhishek, Suresh? Any doubt, beta? Right. Now let's talk of the isomeric hexanes. The isomer that gives a minimum and a maximum number of monochloro derivatives. Isomeric hexanes. In that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 N hexane, it is 2-methyl pentane, or also you can say 3-methyl pentane, two comma dimethyl butane, and 2 comma 2 dimethyl butane, so I can have these many type of isomeric compounds. So you have to identify which is giving the maximum number of chloro compounds, monochloro compounds, and the minimum number of monochloro compounds. Anisha Tripathi, what is your answer here? What is your answer here? 2 comma 3 dimethyl butane, you can say 2 comma 3 dimethyl butane. You can have monochloro derivative. Here one monochloro, here one more, here also. Okay, and also 2-methyl pentane, here 2-methyl pentane, here and here and here and here and here. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 structurally different monochloro product, and here 2 structurally different monochloro product. So I just want to say, read minimum and maximum number of monochloro. So you are not sure. Look at here. Minimum means it is going to be here 2 comma 3 dimethyl butane, 2 comma 3 dimethyl butane, and 2 methyl pentane, 2 methyl pentane. My answer is going to be here D. We try to understand how to solve this question. So whenever I just make here, यहाँ पे भी आप chlorinate कर सकते हैं, यहाँ पे भी आप chlorinate कर सकते हैं, like that. Okay, it is all about hexane. You can also go with pentane and butane, start with propane. So self preparation is always important. ठीक है? Agree with me? Self preparation रहना है. Okay, how we are preparing, Anisha, Abhishek, Suresh, Anamani, and what about the other students? Yes, Arpit Pandey, hello, you came late today and we are rocking with organic chemistry questions. Arpit, कैसा हो बेटा? यहाँ पर भी 2 ना n हेक्सेन में कितना दे सकते हैं? n हेक्सेन आप C पकड़ना चाहता हूँ, I am going to explain. B, we want to say B. Okay, okay. You want to say, my answer is definitely it is D, no doubt about that. Question is closed. And if you want to go for A as a doubt, as n-hexane, monochloro derivatives, इतना सारा monochloro derivative दे सकते हैं आपको, 3 दे सकते हैं, 3 दे सकते हैं. ठीक है, ये वाला कितने दे सकते हैं? चार दे सकते हैं. ये वाला कितना दे सकते हैं? ये वाला भी 5 दे सकते हैं. ना, 4 दे सकते हैं. Okay, yes. You just identify then which is giving minimum, which is giving maximum, respectively according to. और एक क्वेश्चन तैयार है आप? जल्दी जल्दी तैयार है आप? अर्पित पांडे, come on. Chloroform is kept in dark colored bottles because chloroform is kept in dark colored bottles because. You want to say D? Okay. In this chloroform, CHCl3, when it is exposed to air, air contain oxygen, so that it is going to form COCl and HCl. So that is what you call it as phosgene, COCl2. Okay, this is what you phosgene, carbonyl chloride. Right? Okay. Now, one more question. Which of the following will not respond to iodoform test? फिर भी iodoform आ रहा है. Again we are revolving around iodoform. Can you say which compound? So what are the required condition for this? iodoform टेस्ट देने के लिए कंडीशन और एक बार आपके लिए. So it is going to be methyl ketone or it could be a methyl secondary alcohol. So structurally दोनों चीज मैच करना, दोनों में सिर्फ कम से कम एक चीज मैच करना. Okay, you are going to get like this, you are going to get like this. ठीक है? So that you just say ethyl alcohol. ethyl alcohol में क्या चीज है? So that CH3 COH H2 and propan 2 all CH3 and C double bond O CH3 and propan 1 all CH3 CH2 CH2 OH and ethanol CH3 C double bond O H. Now you can say which of the following will not respond, will not, mind it, will not. So that You can check it. Will it or not? Will it or not? Yes, it will. Yes, it will. Will it or not? Yes, it will. Will it or not? It will not. Will it or not? Yes, it will. So, this will not. Answer is going to be C. Got it? Structure you have to identify, and based on the structure you have to justify whether it can give or not. So, it is going to be the answer for this question. Got it? Clear? अर्पित पांडे, आंसर इज गोइंग टू बी सी. और एक क्वेश्चन करना तैयार है त्रिपाठी, अनिशा त्रिपाठी एंड अर्पित पांडे एंड सुरेश. ओके, दैट्स गुड. और एक चीज है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट ट्रू. फिर भी you can see not true. You have to identify which is not true for the hydrolysis of tertiary butyl bromide with an aqueous sodium hydroxide. थोड़ा सोच के बताना आंसर. Don't feel that sir is discussing questions, very important questions. Quality, no compromise. But my version is here. I want the students to discuss. I want the students to do work along with me. Simply disclosing the question and reading the answer and giving the options is not the way to prepare a NEET examination. These questions are absolutely connected to NEET and related to NCERT, my dear students. Everybody, I request you keep NCERT book along with you and you can do the best. है ना? So आंसर क्या हो सकते हैं? जल्दी बताओ, जल्दी बताओ. You want to say C? Okay. So I want to enter into the different aspects. Rate of SN1 reaction, tertiary alkyl halides more reactive than secondary alkyl halides, more reactive than primary alkyl halides, more than methyl halide. Tertiary butyl bromide, that is your tertiary butyl bromide, this is tertiary butyl bromide in the presence of a solvent, polar protic solvent. So what happened here in the polar protic solvent? It is going to be taken out and it is going to be CH3, C and CH3 and CH3 and a carbocation is formed. When this carbocation is formed and the nucleophile hydrolysis, so it is going to be CH3 and COH and CH3 and CH3. You are going to get plus and minus, racemic mixture is formed. But among this step, this is your rate determining step and this is your SN1 reaction and the rate में आपका alkyl halide involve किया and base is not. So I just want to say alkyl halide only. This is the common phenomena and base का हिसाब से ये order of the reaction 0 होगा. So order with respect to the base is going to be 0. Therefore here given the reaction occurs through SN1, ये सही चीज है. And the intermediate formed is a carbocation. This is also correct, my dear students. The rate of reaction doubles when the concentration of alkali is doubled. अरे alkali और a base उसमें involve करता है नहीं. so that rate with respect to the alkali is independent, and the rate of reaction doubles when the concentration of tertiary butyl bromide is doubled, because इसका हिसाब से order 1 है, so that option D सही correct है and option C गलत चीज है. so गलत चीज पकड़ने के पूछ रहा हूँ इस क्वेश्चन का, so option C is the appropriate answer for this question. Got it? So this much analysis connect you should maintain with the textbook and connect with the question and question paper. So dear students, this is the way you learn organic chemistry, and this is the way you learn how to solve these questions. है ना? Arpit Pandey enjoyed the question, and गुमा गुमा के आता है questions कैसे? True, false, everything. Next, और एक क्वेश्चन करूं? अनिशा त्रिपाठी, एनी डाउट? अगर डाउट है ना तो पूछ सकते हैं. Next question. CHCl3 react with concentrated HNO3. Yes, thank you very much, Arpit Pandey. Jack Sparrow is there in the class or not? कल थे, आज नहीं है. Ishita, Richa Sharma, Abhinav, okay, these are all the regular students to me. Okay, so what is the answer for this question? It's pretty simple. It is nothing but chloroform react with HNO3 to give chloropicrin, which is used as a tear gas. So trichloronitromethane is called tear gas. So my answer is going to be CH3 CCl3 NO2. Anisha Tripathi given the correct answer. Come on, answer A is the correct. So ताली आपका एक thumbs up है. सो थम्स अप में देना, आप नहीं दे सकते मेरे को. सो चैट बॉक्स में एक थम्स अप, एक फायर इमोजी, फटाफट सब लोग एक बार देने का हमको खुशी होता है. ओके, सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कम ऑन, और एक क्वेश्चन करना तैयार है. नाउ द करेक्ट ऑर्डर ऑफ मेल्टिंग पॉइंट एंड बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी, टर्शियरी अल्काइल हैलाइड्स. प्राइमरी P, secondary S, tertiary T. That's good. So melting point orders and the boiling point orders. एक की देना चाहता हूँ. Melting point and boiling point is directly proportional to molecular weight. एक पहला चीज है. If molecular weight is same, मैं क्या बोलना चाहता हूँ? Melting point and boiling point is inversely proportional to branching, so that tertiary में ज़्यादा branching है, कम melting point है. Yes, and secondary and primary no branching and has maximum boiling point. Okay, like that you can take the action into, here it is primary greater than secondary greater than tertiary. This could be with alkane, alcohol, alkyl halides. Mind it? Fine. Next, you can say more is the branching, the molecule, lesser is the surface area, lower is the attraction, and lower is the boiling point. And here I just want to take into the action. Anisha Tripathi, right? Okay. Now, or a question, simple, ethyl alcohol gives ethyl chloride treatment with, अरे अच्छा बात है, simple, ethyl chloride, ethyl alcohol. You want to say ये, okay, और क्या चीज है? Pandey, Anisha, okay. I just want to give ethyl alcohol can be converted into various ways. HCl and zinc chloride, C2H5Cl, low cost reagent. You can also use sodium chloride. हो सकते नहीं हो सकते क्योंकि sodium chloride in the presence of concentrated H2SO4, then it is going to give rise like this. है ना? You can also say PCl3 C2H5Cl plus H3PO3 and PCl5. You are going to get C2H5Cl plus HCl plus POCl3. These many methods are there. Okay, you can also use SOCl2. These are all there in the NCERT, and this is the previous medical entrance examination question, my dear students. You are going to get C2H5Cl plus SO2 and plus HCl. This reaction is, what do you call it, as Darjan's reaction. This reaction, what do you call it, as a Darjan's reaction? And this is what you call it as a thionyl chloride. This is what you call it as thionyl chloride. And among all the reagents that convert alcohol into alkyl halide, thionyl chloride is the best suitable reagent, where you can see the formation of the compound along with the products, and these products are gases in state. When these products and the gases in state, they can evaporate, so that the recovery of the product is going to be so easy, and this is the best preferred method. This is the best method, mind it. So when the question is being discussed, I am giving the explanation for all and also the best and everything. So you all follow this and you can do great in your NEET, coming NEET examination, 2025 examination. It is going to be the amazing examination in your life. You can change your life turn, right? And my answer is going to be here, as I discussed. Thionyl chloride is the best preferred method. Okay, Pandey. Next, the SN1 reactivity of ethyl chloride is, you have to check with every answer. Check with every answer. What is this chlorobenzene? This is our chlorobenzene, and more or less than the chlorobenzene. Benzyl chloride, okay, I just want to say reactivity. Benzyl chloride is more reactive than ethyl chloride, is more than chlorobenzene. So it is ethyl chloride has less than benzyl chloride, more than chlorobenzene. So I just want to say, as you said, it is less than that of benzyl chloride. Arpit Pandey, your answer is correct. Tripathi, why you retract your message, dear? Let it be. Nobody is going to say anything that you did correct answer, not correct answer. What you said is correct only. Tripathi, okay, और क्या चीज है? तैयार है हर एक करने को. Now, elimination of HBr from 2-bromobutane results in the formation of, all connected to alkane, alkene and alkyl halide, what not, everything. You tell me. So it is an elimination reaction. When it is undergoing an elimination reaction, 2-bromobutane, this 2-bromobutane CH3, CH2, CH3, and it is 2-bromobutane, and when it is treated with elimination reaction of HBr from this, so that you can use a potassium hydroxide aqueous or alcohol and you heat it, you are going to remove, this is a beta elimination reaction, this is alpha carbon and this is beta carbon and this is beta carbon. In this case, what I mean to say, you eliminate this, so that you are going to see the formation of CH3, CH2, CH double bond CH2, and also you are going to see CH3 and CH double bond CH and CH3. So this is according to a major product. Why it is major product? It is according to Sergev rule. You can say the Sergev rule as a Sergev rule. During elimination reaction, the most substituted alkene is the major product. So this is going to be the major product. So my answer is going to be predominantly butadiene, predominantly. Yes or no? Answer is going to be agree, Arpit Pandey. It is going to be option B, and Anisha Tripathi, correct yourself. It is going to be ये Sergev rule के हिसाब से. क्या Sergev rule क्या बोल सकते हैं आपको? So during elimination reaction, if more than one beta hydrogens are available, so the hydrogen is eliminated from the carbon atom of the beta carbon which has the less number of hydrogen, or also you can say during elimination the product is supposed to be the most substituted alkane. है ना? That's good, very good. So we are discussing with elimination reaction, substitution reaction, SN1 and everything. We are selecting a very good number of questions, from the NCERT based NEET most expected question. You all like this? Annamani is there? You all like this? Yes, both. Hi, very good. And so I want to say, yes, what is the expected answer for this question? Expected answer for this question. CH3Br reacted with KCN, it forms A, and this A is on hydrolysis gives B, that B on reaction with lithium aluminum hydride it gives C. So what is A, B, C? And you are expected to get what is the product C in this particular reaction. Just fatafat they can answer dena, make it fast. Anamani, coming to this might be the last question, or after this if required one more question हम discuss कर सकते हैं. Okay. You want to say it is option, okay. Now in this case, okay, so let us see CH3Br, when it is treated with the potassium cyanide, it undergo SN2 reaction beta. Based on SN2 reaction, you are going to substitute cyanide with bromine. So I just want to give CH3CN. Now cyanide बन चुका है ना, cyanide बन चुका. फटाफट आंसर थोड़ा सा एक चार्ट बॉक्स में एंगेज करना, so that I am going to get this conclusion question with excellent answer. Come on, you all like this. Now you are going to hydrolyze this. Hydrolysis, acidic hydrolysis of any cyanide is going to give a carboxylic acid Tripathi, and it is going to give you CH3COOH. Now this is your A and this is your B, and when it is treated with lithium aluminum hydride in the presence of ether and an acid, you are going to get reduction CH3 CH2OH. So this is your C. So I just want to say it is ethyl alcohol. No. Lithium aluminum hydride cannot reduce till alkane. So it can reduce only up to alkyl halide. Is that fine? And my answer is going to be B. Here Tripathi, today's top performers Tripathi and Arpit Pandey, and tomorrow we are going to continue with the same kind of most expected questions from ionic equilibrium. Ready with that? And now I just want to conclude this session, as today we discussed so many types of questions from alkyl halides, haloalkanes and haloarenes, right from substitution reaction, elimination reaction, Wurtz reaction, SN1, SN2, and here are shades of rules and reduction reactions. Yes, now in tomorrow's class we will be discussing about ionic equilibrium most expected questions, also chemical equilibrium most expected questions. So stay tuned to everyday class, and hope you enjoyed these classes, and it is amazing lecture you said, Arpit Pandey. Thank you very much, and you please be regular in the session and like the session and share with your friends, and thank you very much. God bless you. Signing off, Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry. Bye.